The mic is open, yo. For the Stretch Armstrong Show, hosted by Bobby.
How should I start this? How should I begin to send? Grab the microphone and my rhymes are in. Wheel of fortune, spin around. Check it out, I'm not a rap clown. Get smacked down by the fucking 4 pound in your dome. Hit you with the neck plate chrome. Queensbridge, that's my motherfucking home. Off the top of my head, yo, I'm a blunt head. Police want a nigga dead, but I'm not going out like that. Black, I kick the actual facts in so long. Cold as a polar bear, I swear, word to will, but I'm a chill, rhyme to kill. Niggas know the style when I freak the profile. Asiatic child, yo. Grand was on the side of me, yo. Get on the mic and bless the MIC.
Hey, yo, but I'ma pass it off to my man 6ix9ine. Kick it one time.
Hey, yo, 6ix9ine a true to life nigga. Yo, my style is iller than Hollisberry's figure. Yo, niggas don't fuck with the 6ix9ine. Shorty, watch your mouth, I smack your back in your vagina. Here's some reefer crack the sunrise tequila. Kill the margarita, here's a 50, get some more cheaper. The ghetto trooper, so smart up the Buddha. My thoughts stay nasty like the underground sewers. To be the man, you got to beat the man. It ain't nothing stopping over here, putting up them up on Timberlands. You want static? Let's have it. Lyrics who flow like the Atlantic, will sink like the Titanic. Since birth, I was thinking too fast. My first beef was with the doctor when he smacked me on my ass. The trigger man, I'm crazy like Sam. My skills so ill like a white switch.
Check it out now. 1 for the money, 2 for pussy and foreign cars, 3 for Alizé niggas deceased or behind bars. I rap the vanguard, check the prognosis. Is it real or showbiz? My window faces shootouts, drug overdoses, live amongst neurosis. Only the drama. For real, a nickel plate is my fate. My medicine is the ganja. Here's my basis. My razor embraces many faces. Your telephone blown, black stitches of fat shoelaces. People's a petrol, dramatic, automatic, fofo. I let blow and back down popo when I'm vexo. My pen taps the paper, then my brain's blank. I see dark streets hustling brothers who keep the same rank. Pumping for something, some are prosperous, some fail. Judges hanging niggas, uncorrect bails. For direct sales, my intellect prevails. For my hanging cross with nails, I reinforce the frail with lyrics that's real. Word to trace a disciple on streets, trifle on beats. But chill, that's the microphone to say peace. So Sudan, take the microphone in your hand, kick the flim flam.
I hope that camera was on right there.